Hey, good day, guys. This is Mr. Musako, founder of InfoFxmosako. Welcome to my analysis video. So as you can see, I've already started with my analysis. I do top-down analysis. Basically, I'm a swing trader. So most of my trades, I check them out from the monthly, weekly, then we go down to the daily, and my entries most of the time will be based on the 4 hour, or they'll be based on the daily, the 4 hour, or the hour, depending on how what can I say, how the structure of the market is. So basically now what I do is, after doing my top-down analysis, I look for where the market is. I don't know why my mouse is doing this, but apologies guys. I do that, and this shows that it's been a choppy market. So it's basically been ranging. What's wrong with this? Oh, sorry guys, I'm gonna try fixing this quick. I don't know what the problem is, I really don't know what the problem is. Oh, this thing is on. See guys, small things will make you think, yo, that just the stuff you have are malfunctioning. But anyway, as you can see, the market is in a long parallel support and resistance. Typical technical structure. So now that it has hit the support structure, how many times does he hit? Once, probably twice. Would say hit twice, and at the top it has hit 3 times. You would say 3 times. So knowing that it has only touched twice here, I know it's definitely going to come up here. It's going to come up and hit this resistance, and then probably come back down. But based on my current analysis, it's in a ranging zone. And as you can see, also in the market, it's been choppy. See, it hit here at the top, here at the bottom, there at the top again, at the top again, then it hit here again. But it's been choppy. There's been gaps, as you can see, guys. Gaps, funny gaps. Then it is hit here for the third time. So knowing in technical analysis, every time a line is hit more than 3 times, the fourth touch or the fifth touch, actually after more than 3 touches, always expect a breakout or something different, guys. Sometimes it may not happen, but most of the time it's 3 touches. After 3 touches, you should expect a breakout. So basically my strategy, I look at the formation of the candlesticks as well, and also the open and the closing. It is very important. And also these wicks, guys, they're very important. But as I always show you guys my analysis, you'll understand why it is so. So basically I saw an opportunity. That's a typical candlesticks, and as you can see, they are long candlesticks. And when I see this, I feel like there's still gonna be a fourth candlestick or fifth one that might come and hit here by the resistance structure. If I was able to have seen this move, I would have basically entered right here. I would have entered here, actually here even, to be more safer, because now it would have made a new higher high. Then I would have pulled my stop loss here with room of air, because you never know, it might come back. So now because I chose to enter here and get out of there and put my stop loss here, see, then I'm gonna go to my lower time frame just to even confirm properly, because that's where I take my stop loss, basic stop loss. You see I put it here for some air. As you can see, here was a dip and it came up and there was a higher high. So now there's probably going to be a higher low. After a higher low, it's going to go back up and hit here. And that's why I actually now got into the trade. I'm already in the trade and I'm using 0.003 lot size, which I will show you guys. But I could have waited, guys. I really could have waited for the London session to open. But because for me, the structure is already here, and also I get in during like the early morning when I can see the market. It's near it's what do you call this? The open. You see, guys. So probably if I have to go to a smaller time frame, it would have been proper. But because I've already trained my eye to see what is happening. I know the probabilities of it. This would be a swing. It go down, then shoot back up. But also I think I should be taking it a bit down, like here. Yep. I'm putting it here. So that's going to be my analysis for GJ. And yeah, guys, we'll see how it plays out. Let me go to GBPUSD. I think I already posted this one on my Instagram channel. The result is there was a gap that had happened. Yeah, let me see. I think you can see it on the small time frame. You see, guys, this gap here. I took advantage of this gap, whereby I entered the market. Gaps when they happen, guys, will always need to refill all the time, all the time. So knowing that, I caught this one here. I entered here when it was breaking through and making a new higher high and breaking through that lower low. Then I put my stop loss here by this candlestick here, which is the doji, which shows where the supporters and the buyers were in a fight, but then the buyers were able to win. As you can see, there is a longer wick on their side and a shorter wick on the side of the sellers. And knowing that, I was like, I'm going to enter on the second bar that will happen, or by the end of it, if it breaks above this structure, this swing here. And yes, it was perfect entry for me. I was able to get in, and my take profit was right here. Luckily, I was watching it while it was happening, and I was going to take out my take profit. But in forex, guys, don't be greedy, because if I had probably been greedy and said, you know what, I think it might come here or something, I probably would have lost some profits. But this was my aim. Plus, I aim to make $25 per per week, basically. But then, I've started to learn how to like break even at my put my stop losses at my take profits, and then if it's higher than that, then it's higher than that. I'll take those profits. But if it comes back and takes me up the market, I'll be happy because I will know that my trading, my plan in the way that I thought the trade was going to go, it went there, and I should be satisfied because you know that's what I aim for it to get here, and it got here, guys. So you shouldn't be greedy unless you see another opportunity. As you see, it's making a young swing here, and if you get a candlestick that probably surpasses this candle here or this one, you can take it and hit this resistance line here at the top. Let me just write it black for you. Can go, and ride it until it gets there. But for now, I'll probably, if it had to happen, I'd probably wait. probably wait until and then put that my stop loss here. You know, always gotta leave a breather for your stop loss, guys, because it might just knock you out and bring you back in the market, and then ride it up till here. And based on my long-term analysis, as you can see, it not so long ago hit the support resistance, and it shows the infamous patterns, guys, candlestick patterns, guys. They're very infamous, these candlesticks. And you can see it seems like it's an impulse, some sort of an impulse, because they long. So when they long like this, you know they have a lot of momentum, guys. So as you can see here, it's correcting itself. Then there's going to be there's a possibility of a continuation to the upside. So with this, I'll basically be waiting for. I'll put a buy stop and then just wait until it is triggered and go with it to the upside. But I'll just put it like this, but I won't put it on my MetaTrader, and I'll wait, and I will just wait until it has hit here. I will leave an alert, and it will alert me. Then GBP CAD. Oh, as you can see, guys, this is like my long term. I suppose here because I'm a swing trader. This is my long term view of where the market was gonna go. And as you can see, I was correct, man. This is a beautiful structure, guys. As you can see, it was going down. It was going down on the cycle, and now it has went up. Look here, guys. Oh, wonderful setup, guys. This is a wonderful setup. I got in when it passed the opening of the previous candlestick of the previous week. And guys, this is just a marvelous trade, guys. Marvelous, marvelous, marvelous. See, guys, it passed the lower low and made a higher high after a long time. So every time it makes a high high, I'm always in the market, guys. Always in the market, looking for opportunities at that time. Plus, it was near my support. It would have been perfect if I caught it like here, guys. This would have been the most perfect. Let me just, you know, and take a long. It would have been perfect if I got in. Probably here when this still candlestick was before was forming, and probably put right here. Yes, right here. As you can see in the past, this was acted as the resistance, and I'll probably go to my lower time frame to get a perfect risk management. So you always gotta give room to your trades, guys. Always gotta give room. So I'll basically try putting it here. Yep. And yeah, guys, that would have been my trade. And as you can see, I would have been out of my trade, and I would have been in profit. Um, yeah, guys. I don't want to trade too many pairs like this week, guys, as it is December and there's so much holidays and so forth. So the market isn't for me. Like I'm not used to trading during December. So I just keep it strict, keep it minimal. Basically, GJ would be my second trade of the week, and GBPUSD I'll probably get into it again during the week when the opportunity brings itself, guys. So basically, guys, I wait for the market, guys, at all times. I wait for the market. It has to confirm with my trading plan. And with by getting three like different confirmations, I know that okay, I can enter this trade because I got a lot of things confirming my technical analysis, guys. Because also I should be aware of also what is basically happening in the market because of geopolitics. Like right now, there is corona market in the virus in the world, so it can affect the market anyhow. So the structure may not be 100% solid. So I should be aware of other factors and fundamentals that that could affect my trade, because technical analysis is great, but to a certain extent. So you need a lot of supporting factors to make sure that your trade will go the way that you want it to go, guys. Thank you for joining me for this week's analysis. Um, I'll probably post another one next week or probably the second week of January once the market is properly busy and there's no longer any holidays, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something, guys. Thank you. Bye.